want to do you know. NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Some viewers and subscribers, you know, say, 2 little clips sent to me with Niah-Gang, my people. One of these clips is where Niah-Gang I give a look at youth advice pertaining to TikTok. And I tell the youth, say, look here, go to school, don't follow me. You understand? Another video, my people, is where a prophet did I give Niah-Gang a warning. Basically, like she a warn him and she a tell him, say, yo, she a put some protection upon him, my people. But Jaja sees, Jaja knows, things just go the other way, my people. It turned out to go the other way, it turned out to go the sad way, my people, because unfortunately, Niah-Gang, him drop out, my people. Him never make it. You understand? So, my viewers and subscribers, I wanted to check out this first clip with Niah-Gang. And this look of youth, you understand? This a look of youth who up on TikTok and do him thing, and you always see him with them Uncle Rastaman and them thing, them people. You know what I mean? Niah and something like, you know what I mean? And, you know what I mean? That's here. See, for sure, say, you say Niah-Gang, my people, that youth did have a good heart. You see me? No matter what you look for him and look for the image of him, my people, they have a real good heart. Because you see, when you can see a youth stand up for himself and be a man, and give a look of youth, advise the people like what him might do, my people, me I tell you, so check this out, my people, with Niah-Gang.
Boy, you move like a young man. Tell yourself appropriate. You want to look like me a crook. Can't try to look like me dog, so I try to prevent you from this. Go to school, bad man. Now man in a dog, you should have focus to go up on all the church. Go to church, bro, make a change, dog. You see it? See every day, man, then get up and cuss me. Every day, me dip on TikTok. Every morning, I get up on TikTok. This, bro, me get kicked from grade 9 and still there in school. Go to school. Focus for your homework. You don't get no homework. And that may show you know, make me not want to play no match with the dog. But if you can try what I reason with you as a bigger bro, dog. But you don't have a bigger bro to reason with you. Like how I reason with you. Because if you have a bigger bro, you get a couple pumpkin in the morning, dog. Just go you move this morning, bro. And I cuff them body with the dog in the early morning charge. You see me I cuff the body with? Oh, no, you want dog.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, as you can hear from the voice of Niah to this youth, you see me? A good thing I tell him, my people. A good thing. And if you youth follow him and take advice, go to school, youth. Because don't bother believe so the TikTok thing what them do is an occupation, bro. It's not. You know what I mean? TikTok now go do the favor, G. You know what I mean? But your education in your brain. Once you have life, bro, you have that in there, so. You see me? TikTok is a moment where we just say enjoy the moment. Focus on your education. At the realest way. So maybe I'm not going to tell him detail like how me I tell him in my people. But at the realest way. And for sure you say the youth and Niah, my people, was a good youth, you know. A good youth. Niah-Gang was a good youth, my people. And it's just sad and unfortunate to know how they manage to deal with them, my viewers and subscribers. You see me? But, yo, me I tell you, I just live settings, you know. I just live settings, the people. So, the other clip with Niah, my people, I want you to check out is with him and the prophet. And boy, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. For some people, they must say, yo, she's a false prophet, she's a fake prophet, my people. But whether false or fake, yo, she knows something with that come down, my people. She knows, she see it and she talk it. So check this out, my people, with Niah-Gang and the prophet. Because it's a Niah time, you know, my people. You know what I mean? And for anybody who have to say, yo, all the study, yo, I'm doing my vlogging work, yo. You understand? It's awareness we have put out there. Because a lot of people can fall short. Same way. You understand how we always tell people, say, look here, don't trust no one, especially the one where you call friends. So, check out the prophet, my people, and Niah-Gang.
Mine. I cover you from every gunshot because I see one car coming to you and the adversary will catch a bad mind. But in the name above, cut and clear, Rebanda Kundorabosata. Cut and clear, Namakutu Shakaya.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, boy, prophet is something in my paper. prophet was putting deliverance, you know what I mean, and putting a blockage to the enemy, my people. But look here, nobody I believe say a prophet, all prophet can stop certain things. You see me? So whether them want to say she fake or she real or whatever them want to say, my people, at least she vision something, my people. You see me? There's a millions of people in Jamaica, you know, thousands of people on TikTok, you know, and if she can forward and choose this youth, yeah, and say whatever she see, and then unfortunate level people, so I go on with him, them people, them take out him 3 points. You see me? I say, come on, man, she prophesy something, not true. She prophesy. Not every prophet, yo, there's different type of prophets, you know. Some prophet can see things straight up, you know. But some of them, my people, them can't see it, that straight figure way there. You get what me I say, like, right, they can vision close to it. You see it? So, in the end, man, me can't diss the prophet and say, yo, she fake or she not. I cannot say that, my people, but as me can say, she see something, my people. You see me? Yo, the whole Niah-Gang story just sad, my people. And boy, you say, friend, especially friend killer, are the wickedest demons them ever create on the land. You know what I mean? Me not like friend killer. A straight attack for all friend enemies, for all friend killers. A straight attack for them, my people, because we don't see what go on with Niah. We don't see it. We don't see what everything played out, my viewers and subscribers, and it's just the whole situation just sad as me tell my people. But continue to big up on yourself, my people, and please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on all social media platforms. One team of people, one dream, and one scheme of people, and just be safe and just do the right thing out there, my viewers and subscribers. As me I say, Niah-Gang, continue to RIP, bro. RIP. As me tell the people, the man, whole life situation, whole life story just sad. And when I hear me talk, my people, from my heart, I feel it for the G. You see me, I really feel it, my people. Gone, left him look at daughter, 4-year-old, you understand? And yo, trusting the wrong people. But you know what I mean? Look here, you're there on people, you know? You show them love every day. You know what I mean? But deep inside them, they love you. Deep inside them want you out. Deep inside them, I call it bread under the table to get you out. I saw the thing setting on my people. Friend, enemy, them. You see me, friend, enemy. And boy, R.I.P. bro. Me I tell you, the story that's sad, my people. A sad thing going on, you know. A wickedness going on the youth, man. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. When me attack my people, I feel it from my heart. Me not just attack this, bro. I feel it from my heart. Jaja sees, Jaja knows.
Yeah, to all like cap a bum buckler boy, them get up every day and sit down at pan corner, dig out in the hand, me girl. You see a man a swing sledgehammer. So me I go swing my sledge in your bum buckler, girl. I hear pussy, less than nothing batty boy. Better get up and go work. Pussy, deck in the morning. Come and believe and walk and believe.